It is recommended that you replace your sound processor microphone cover every 3 months, or if your sound quality degrades, or if the microphone cavities have collected dirt. One way to remember this is to change every season. The microphone protectors or filters on your sound processor are attached to the underside of your sound processor's cover. You should check them for signs of dirt or grime every day. To replace the microphone cover, 1. Place your fingernail in the slot at the base and lift firmly. Slide your fingernail around both sides to release the cover. And lift the cover off. Do not touch the microphone filters, as this could cause damage to your sound processor. 2. Place the new cover on your processor. 3. Press around the edge with your thumbs to make sure the cover is sealed. For more information, visit our website.